Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shangyi and Wanting. Two of them still talking to each other. Let's go. Let's go to checklist. Your topic is so fast, I thought you would ask why it's not love and it's short turn to live. I didn't expect you to ask for that. Well, I still have a lot of time to slowly curious. Well, definitely Shangyi right now. She's getting tricky towards Wanting. And Wanting, of course, surely want to slow it down. Finally, the feelings is really understanding each other. Wanting is trying to hold her hands. Well, this too. The relationship is really getting better. Especially Wanting. She become vocal. Wow, what a love talker. Shangyi said to her, but let's not go today. Yesterday, I stayed up all night to wait for the sunrise, and just now, well, Shangyi finally said to her, let's go to sleep. Maybe they really both tired. They have a lot of time in the future to go out, so for now, they really need to rest. Like I said, we still have time to participate in each other's future, so they both need to don't rush anything else. We can go to the flow slowly. Well, definitely, it is really getting better. The other side, it seems that her friend is going to something. This girl, she's also an actress, like Shangyi. Now, it really makes sense. It was the director Lee Dao of a new drama recently and your image is still compared. Let's meet the requirements of the female too. If you are interested, go to this place tonight. Let's check in advance. So right now, your girlfriend also noticed that she is going somewhere. Well, since the two of them are already broke up, don't want to talk to each other. Well, let's see on what will happen. If you can win, you're the second female in this play. Can tap the gap between me and Suki to be smaller. So, this is bad. She want to have a competition with Suki. And like Suki, she is not more popular than hers. Well, finally, she was going to knock on the door. Well, this is not good, right? She only went there single. Right now, the person that she's going to meet is director. Well, and also getting tricky. Now, Li Dao. When she opened the door, she was calling the director. Of course, this man is really annoying and also a tricky person. Sorry to keep you waiting. Li Dao said to hers, coming. Well, there's a lot of food that is served on the table. Probably Li Dao wants to cook a dinner and also get drinks to talk about this. You can sit down, Li Dao said to her. Li Dao's want her to check about the biography. Well, Director Lee, are we just the two of us? Otherwise, I'll wait for the next time. It seems that she changed her mind and she don't want to talk to Director Lee alone. That's why she's asking for next time. Hurry up. There's a lot of other actors who will come by over later. The director said to her, well, maybe it was only a fluff to test her. She's really wanting this. But for now, silence. The two of them kept silence. Finally, she already sit in front of Director Li Dao. I sense something wrong with this. Director Li Dao seems to be a tricky person. Also, smartest one. The heroine is your best friend. There are also a lot of scenes. Well, the theme of this book is very good, and the heroine is also the first line. Little flower girl. If you take it down, the Kamika is sure. I will think so, she said to Director Li Dao. Well, she need to take consideration about this. But Director Li Dao, it seems that he was really rushing her. Director Li suddenly leaned over. You scared me. Now, look at her. She looks really terrified. Well, Director Li Dao, he is not a good person, right? That's why he is acting rudely. Are you scared? Director Lee said to her. But, Director Lee, I'm allergic to alcohol and I can't drink it. Oh, that was bad. Seems that Director Lee, he is really getting tricky. This time, this place, if you agree to go on appointment, there's no psychological preparation at all. Director Lee seems to be getting drunk, and now she said things to her. Finally, she put down her glass, and now she looks really terrified about this. Let's see if someone's gonna help her. For sure, Director Lee Dao, he is going to be a tricky person. Shall you see, in our business, self-esteem can exchange for the future. Director Lee Dao said to her, since Xiao Yusi is kind of conservative person, of course, you're looking good and the drama is good. It should have been popular. Seems. Xiao Yusi, it seems to be facile. Of course, she was waiting for Director Li Dao to release her, but right now, it's the contact with the people now. There's a shortage of projects. You have such a bad relationship with her, so you are willing to be defeated by her. Director Li Dao, she is going to tease her so much. Stay with me for a while. And the second female lead is yours, Director Li Dao said to her. Now, Director Li Dao is trying to coax her. Of course, she is really smart lady, and she will not fall for this. Now, she's trying to run away from Director Li Dao. Said to him, no, I can't do it. Now, finally, she's going to run. But Director Lee, she's really tricky person. Right now, she grabbed her hand. She don't want her to leave or also go out in this room. Well, this is not good, right? Director Lee, he is not a good person. Don't toast and don't eat, and I will punish you. Let's go out from the box today. I'm sure you won't be filming in the future. Give me a drink. Well, finally. But of course, it was really terrifying, and it's really not good for her. For Director Li Dao, he continued to provoke her. Finally, Suki, she already arrived. Well, can Suki, can she really hurt her? It's really sad, right? It's getting by this old man. Of course, it was really hurting for hers. Now, finally, her tears are falling down. Probably after seeing Suki, she might feel relief for this. But it was really terrifying. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.